I'm excited to do this poem. I hope you like it. This poem is by Mama Maya. Still I rise. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust I rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I got oil wells pumping in my living room, just like the moons and the suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, still I rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed heads, lowered eyes, and shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries? Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, 'cause I laugh like I got gold mine digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but like her, I rise. Does my sexiness offend you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my ties? Out of the heart of history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in shame, I rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide, leaving behind nights of terror and fear, into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gift that my ancestors gave, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beautiful, uplifting content.